To commemorate the founding of New Orleans in 1718, WYES presents this tricentennial moment in celebration of our city's past and present.
St. Louis Cathedral in New Orleans is the oldest continuously active Roman Catholic cathedral in the United States. The present structure is the third to be built on the site. Named after French King Louis IX, this house of worship is the mother church of the Archdiocese. Extraordinary stained glass windows and paintings frame its ornate Rococo-style altar. In the rear of the church is a magnificent organ built by the prestigious Holtkamp Company. The founder of New Orleans, Jean-Baptiste Lemoyne Sieur de Bienville, was a parishioner. Archbishops, bishops, along with other prominent early French and Spanish colonists, are interred beneath the cathedral's floor. Père Antoine, the legendary Capuchin priest who led the congregation for over half a century, was laid to rest here in 1829. This house of worship is the final resting place for beloved Archbishops Joseph Rummel and Philip M. Hannon. The cathedral welcomed its most sovereign visitor, Pope John Paul II, in 1987. Thousands greeted the pontiff in the plaza in front of the church that was renamed in his honor. After his visit, the cathedral was designated as a basilica. St. Louis Cathedral's history and beautiful design attracts visitors of all faiths. It's a cultural and architectural treasure. The venerable church is one of the city's most prominent landmarks.
WYS's New Orleans Tricentennial Moments are brought to you by the Miro Foundation and presented in association with the historic New Orleans Collection. Additional support provided by the Gail and Tom Benson Charitable Foundation.